can share kung ano talaga yung nakuha natin nung sinabi ng pare na medyo mabigat. Like for me, yung sinabi niya, we're not supposed to make God in our own image and likeness, but we are made by God in His image and likeness. So, ano ba nakuha niyo dito? Anything that strikes any homily? So just to probably start off.
If you say compassion, it should come from your heart.
From your heart. Yun.
In friendship, you have to be friendly with God like your parents.
Ano pa? Sino pa? Sino pang may sinabi yata siya about the Word of God. Tapos we get strength from eating and drinking the body and blood of Christ. So, yung importance of the Eucharist itself, which is actually, yun ang center, or the central part of Christian worship. It is Jesus Christ, body, blood, soul, and divinity. Kaya we should be ready for, prepared for Mass. Dapat excited tayo doon, because we're supposed to receive the body, blood, soul, and divinity of Christ. But, yeah. Kaya kailangan we should internalize it in our own hearts, in our own lives. Actually, we just had a conference with the group where I belong, Couples for Christ Foundation for Family and Life. And now we have a movement we call Live Christ, Share Christ. So ano yun? Live Christ, Share Christ. Because we notice, ang daming organizations, di ba? Speaking of Catholic communities, ang dami-dami. Even my community where I belong is, or where we belong, yung household namin. Ang dami nga. But have we actually spread the good word or the gospel or the unity that Jesus Christ prayed for in John 17? So, may statistics lang ginawa. And they found out that only 20% of Catholics are actually nagsisimba. Then out of 20% na nagsisimba, ilan kaya yung actually understands that we are receiving the body, blood, soul, and divinity of Christ in the Eucharist? So dapat, yun ang nakuha nila. So, in other words, we have 80% of Catholics na kailangan we reach out to them and bring them back to the church. Kasi ang dami sa kanila, wala na, hindi na nagsisimba. Or nagsisimba man, pero wala doon. Something like that. So we came up with a movement, Live Christ, Share Christ.